Who is she? In a small town, there was a school. This school was big and old. Many kids went there. One day, a new girl came to the school. Her name was Zara. Zara was very quiet. She did not talk much. She always looked sad. Tom, a boy in the school, saw Zara. Tom was kind. He wanted to be friends with Zara. He went to her and said, "Hi, I am Tom. What is your name?" Zara looked at Tom. She smiled a little and said, "I am Zara." And Tom asked, "Do you want to play with us?" Zara shook her head. "No, thank you," she said softly. Tom felt sad. He wanted to help Zara, but he did not know how. Days passed. Zara was still quiet. One day, Tom saw Zara in the library. She was reading a book. Tom went to her. "Hi, Zara," he said. "What are you reading?" Zara showed Tom the book. It was a story about a princess. Tom liked stories, too. He sat next to Zara. "I like stories," he said. "Do you want to read together?" Zara nodded. They read the story. Tom noticed something strange. Every time Zara turned a page, she whispered. Tom listened. He heard Zara say, "Help me." Tom was scared. "Zara, did you say something?" he asked. Zara looked at Tom with big eyes. "No," she said. "I did not say anything." Tom was confused. He heard the whisper, but Zara said she did not speak. Tom decided to find out more. Tom and Zara became friends. They read together every day. Tom still heard the whisper. One day, Tom asked Zara, "Where do you live?" Zara looked sad. "I live in the old house near the forest," she said. Tom knew the house. It was big and old. People said it was haunted. Tom was curious. He wanted to see the house. "Can I come to your house?" he asked. Zara nodded. "Yes, you can," she said. After school, Tom and Zara went to the old house. It was dark and quiet. The door creaked when they opened it. Inside, it was cold. Tom felt a chill. "Do you live here alone?" Tom asked. Zara shook her head. "No," she said. "I live with my mom, but she is always sick." Tom wanted to see Zara's mom. "Can I meet her?" he asked. Zara looked scared. "No," she said. "She does not like visitors." Tom felt something was wrong. He decided to come back later. Tom could not stop thinking about Zara and the old house. He told his friend Jack about it. Jack was brave. He wanted to help Tom. "Let's go to the house at night," Jack said. "We can find out what is going on." Tom was scared, but agreed. That night, they went to the old house. It was dark and quiet. They took a flashlight. They entered the house. The floor creaked under their feet. They looked around. They saw a door. It was locked. Tom and Jack tried to open it. Suddenly, the door opened by itself. They saw a room. It was full of old things. There was a picture of a woman. She looked like Zara. "Who is she?" Tom asked. Jack looked at the picture. "I don't know," he said, "but she looks like Zara." Suddenly, they heard a noise. It was a soft whisper. "Help me," it said. Tom and Jack were scared. They ran out of the house. The next day, Tom asked Zara about the woman in the picture. Zara looked sad. She is my mom, she said. Tom was surprised. But she looks just like you, he said. Zara nodded. Yes, everyone says that. Tom wanted to know more. Why does your mom not like visitors? He asked. Zara was quiet for a long time. Then she said, My mom is not well. She stays in her room all the time. She does not want anyone to see her. Tom felt sad for Zara. He wanted to help her. He decided to find out the secret of the old house. That night, Tom could not sleep. He kept thinking about Zara and her mom. He decided to go back to the old house. He took his flashlight and went. When he reached the house, it was dark and quiet. He went inside. He went to the secret room. The door was open. He saw the picture of the woman again. Suddenly, he heard a cry. It was a soft, sad cry. Tom followed the sound. It led him to another room. The door was locked. Tom knocked on the door. Who is there? A voice asked. It was a woman's voice. Tom was scared, but he said, I am Tom. I am Zara's friend. The door opened slowly. Tom saw a woman. She looked like Zara. She was crying. Who are you? Tom asked. The woman said, I am Zara's mom. I need your help. Tom was confused. What do you need? He asked. The woman looked sad. I am not well, she said. I need someone to help me. Tom wanted to help. What can I do? He asked. The woman said, You need to find the key to the secret room. It will help me. Tom agreed. He decided to find the key. Tom told Jack about Zara's mom. Jack wanted to help. They decided to find the key. They went to the old house again. They looked everywhere. They could not find the key. Then Tom remembered the picture. He looked behind it. There was a small box. He opened the box. There was a key inside. Jack, I found it, Tom said. Jack was happy. Let's go to Zara's mom, he said. They went to the room where Zara's mom was. They showed her the key. Zara's mom looked happy. Thank you, she said. Now I can be free. Tom and Jack were confused. What do you mean? Tom asked. Zara's mom said, I have been trapped in this house for a long time. This key will set me free. Tom and Jack used the key to open the door. Suddenly, the room was filled with light. Zara's mom smiled. She looked at Tom and Jack. Thank you, she said. Now I can rest in peace. Zara's mom disappeared. Tom and Jack were shocked. They did not know what to say. The next day, Tom told Zara what happened. Zara looked sad but happy. Thank you, Tom, she said. You helped my mom. Tom was confused. What happened to your mom? He asked. Zara said, My mom died a long time ago in the old house. She needed someone to help her find peace. You and Jack helped her. Now she can rest. Tom was shocked. But why didn't you tell me before? He asked. Zara looked down. I was scared, she said. I didn't want to lose my only friend. Tom felt sad for Zara. He hugged her. You won't lose me, he said. We are friends forever. Zara smiled. For the first time, Tom saw her truly happy. He knew he had helped her in a big way. A week passed. Things were starting to go back to normal. Tom and Zara spent more time together. One day, Tom found a strange letter in his locker. It had no name on it. He opened it and read, "Dear Tom, thank you for helping me. I have one last request. Please take care of Zara. She needs a friend like you. Always be there for her. With gratitude, Zara's mom." Tom felt a chill. He knew it was from Zara's mom. He showed the letter to Jack. Jack was surprised too. "Wow, Tom," Jack said. "This is really special. You must keep this letter safe." Tom nodded. He knew he had a big responsibility now. He promised himself to always be there for Zara. As time went on, Zara became more open. She talked more and smiled often. She even started playing with the other kids. Everyone liked Zara. They saw how kind and smart she was. Tom and Jack remained her best friends. They always looked out for her. They did many things together like reading, playing, and exploring. One day, Zara asked Tom, "Do you remember the old house?" Tom nodded. "Yes, I do," he said. "It was a scary time, but we helped your mom." Zara smiled. "I want to show you something," she said. They went back to the old house, but now it looked different. It was clean and bright. The darkness was gone. Zara took Tom to the secret room. "Look," she said. There was a small garden inside the room. Flowers were blooming. "This is my mom's favorite place. I want to take care of it." Tom felt happy. "We will take care of it together," he said. Tom, Zara, and Jack took care of the garden. They planted new flowers and watered them every day. The garden became a beautiful place. It was full of colors and life. One day, they found a small box buried in the garden. Inside the box, there was a note and a locket. The note said, "To my dear Zara, this locket is for you. It will always keep us connected. I love you forever. Mom." Zara was touched. She wore the locket every day. She felt her mom's love and presence with her. Tom and Jack were happy to see Zara so joyful. The school was planning a big festival. Everyone was excited. There would be games, food, and fun activities. Tom, Zara, and Jack decided to take part in the festival. They set up a small booth to sell flowers from their special garden. Many people came to see the beautiful flowers. They were amazed by the story of the old house and the garden. "These flowers are very special," Zara told everyone. "They remind us of love and friendship." The festival was a big success. Tom, Zara, and Jack were happy. They had fun and made many new friends. Years passed. Tom, Zara, and Jack grew up. They remained best friends. They never forgot the old house and the special garden. It became a place of memories and love for them. Zara did very well in school. She was smart and hardworking. She wanted to become a teacher. Tom and Jack supported her dreams. One day, Zara said, "I want to help kids like me. I want to make them happy and give them hope." Tom and Jack were proud of her. "You will be a great teacher," Tom said. "You have a big heart." Zara smiled. She knew she could do anything with friends like Tom and Jack by her side. Many years later, Tom, Zara, and Jack decided to open a school. They wanted to help kids learn and grow. The school was built near the old house. They named it Hope School. At the entrance of the school, there was a small garden. It was filled with flowers from Zara's special garden. It was a symbol of love, hope, and friendship. Tom, Zara, and Jack were very happy. They knew they had done something good. They had created a place where kids could learn, grow, and find hope. Every day, they remembered the old house, the whispers, and the woman in the picture. They knew that they had helped Zara's mom find peace, and in doing so, they had found their own happiness too.